You're looking for a 10-in-1 smart charger, USB-C, fast charging for computers and laptops? We're going to demonstrate briefly and show you what this product is about. From the provider's Pick and Tech. It's a 10-port USB-C PD3.1 660 watt and more smart USB charging ports. Opens up in a nice box. Show you how it's presented to you. Protected by plastic and the instruction guide at your leisure to go over, and an accessory package in a small container box. AC and a station holder. It's got little rubber feet on the bottom prevents from sliding on the table. It goes in two ways, back or forward. Please remember to peel all film off of the unit and plug into an AC outlet and the back of the unit firmly, and place into the dock, the cradle. Got little tabs that on the base that will lock into place. So please make sure when placing on to the correct way. 4 USB-A's in orange and 6 in blue USB-C's with a sunshine light indicator. No more little bricks. Simply plug in your cable with the LED indicator on the bottom, grabbing your favorite USB-C cables and plugging in to USB-C cameras and products, USB-A ports, and so forth. With many products that can be plugged in from laptops, cameras, and more. A product has a LED window on the bottom. You simply tap it once and it is light up in blue, change to different colors to turning off. We'll give you a close-up look as we demonstrate tapping in the RGB colors. There are different modes, breathing, flashing, and so forth. And when not wanting on, for no disturbance, for privacy. 600 watt, 10-in-1 portable USB-C with 6 ports and 4 USB-A from different types of USB 2.0, 3.0, and so forth. PD20 charging, doing laptops, cameras, fast charging, and more. I hope you enjoy your product if this is right for you.